Good afternoon, Mom. Today I would like to present my PPT on how is data center, an overview of digital communication. How is data center? Data is transformed into binary code and transmitted as stream of data either through physical channels like fiber optic and copper cables or wireless using the radio signals. Introduction. Purpose. Understand how binary data. The, the purpose is to learn how computers take digital data just 1 second or in 2 seconds and turn into a form that can actually travel from one place to another. Since raw binary numbers can't move on their own, they're converted into physical signals such as, example, electrical signals for copper cable and light pulses for fiber optic cable, and radio waves for wireless communications. Digital data. The conversion purpose like bits are modulated onto carrier waveform. Example like voltage levels in radio frequencies. Modulation techniques. Example amplitude shift keying and frequency shifting and phase shifting. Visual on how binary information is presented in signal changes. Transmission over channels. This is really important. Channels are factors between bandwidth, noise, and attenuations like challenges, preserving signal integrity, avoiding distortion or data loss. Error error management. Error management primarily send, sending overview and modern system often handle like error detection or example parity and checksums and error correction example forward error correction codes. And this is my summary of the footage. The receiving side, the signal undergoes demulation and decoding to reconstruct the original information. The video also introduces us information theory ideas, including the entropy in sources coding and channel capacity in channel coding as areas for deeper exploration. That's all.